Hi everybody, welcome to Slice, where we explore creative kitchen hacks and solve all of your home cooking dilemmas, because I know you've got some. I'm your host, Evette Rios, and this week we are joined by a very special guest chef. I am kind of geeking out about this. It is Grace Ramirez.
Rico. Oh, thank you for having me.
I've been a huge fan of hers for a very long time. I love your La Latina cookbook. It's like one of my Bibles.
Thank you.
Me encanta.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited to be here.
Yeah, no, I'm really, really excited. And so every week on our show, what we do is we invite you to submit your questions, okay? They're all kinds of kitchen conundrums. Are you ready to hear ours today?
I love this because, you know, I get an immediate response.
Yes,
I got you.
yes. Okay, so this week we've got a really good one. Here it is.
What's a delicious and easy meal to help cure a hangover?
I have a feeling you're just the person for this question. I'm just saying.
I am that girl that my girlfriends call and say, what do I eat right now? Cure me. And I'm like, okay. So I think we're gonna make some chilaquiles.
Oh, chilaquiles.
Chilaquiles.
Oh my
For those of you who don't know chilaquiles, they are the original nachos.
Original nachos.
Original nachos, 100%. I think we have to start getting into it, right?
Okay, cool, let's do it.
Okay, so normally is chips, chicken stock, salsa verde, guacamole, but we're gonna get going. But you know what? The guacamole is my thing, you're right?
I've heard about your guacamole.
It's my thing.
Easy and good.
Easy and good. People go crazy with the guacamole. They start adding garlic and pepper, and this. No. It's like, you know, the new trend is avocado and toast. So
Yes.
why do so many things to it? The trick is mash it with a fork.
Okay.
Add enough acid in there so it doesn't get black.
Okay.
Right?
And you always add limon verde, lime,
Always,
right?
always lime, always. You know, there you go. I like to flavor it as I go because layers of flavor are essential, you know, and then we start adding some salt. This is another great trick. You know, invest in a flaky sea salt because you get that little bit of a crunch that gives it the perfect, especially for your wok.
And when you're mashing, it helps kind of mash it down too.
Exactly. When you add salt, it helps not to go crazy in your avocado. You see how your avocado is nice and contained right there?
Yes. Okay, so your guacamole is aguacate, avocado, lime, cilantro, red onion.
Red onion and a little bit of chili always. Your hangover, you want that, you want that. Ay, qué rico. It's the perfect guacamole. You're gonna try it. You're gonna tell me it's perfect. You're gonna tell me it's absolutely perfect. The crew is gonna try it. Everyone's gonna be so happy.
Because people put tomato in it sometimes too.
No.
I'm sorry.
No. Don't put tomatoes. You know what happens with the tomatoes? No, you know what bothers me with... It drives me crazy. You put the tomatoes. Most people put the tomatoes and they put the seeds in.
Yes.
So then it gets soggy.
Soggy.
Who wants a soggy guacamole? This is all you need. Like, look how pretty that is.
Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful.
You know, pretty, simple. And now we're gonna go to assembling it.
Okay, perfect.
Right? That's all we need. Okay. So now we're gonna make some egg chilaquiles.
Okay.
You can also make them with chicken.
Yes.
Not eggs. But first, you know, you hangovers.
Yes.
You need a little bit of chicken stock, and you want, when you're hangover, you want soup, like a good soup.
Agreed.
So this is like a tortilla soup meets chilaquiles.
Hey, all right.
So we're gonna put some chicken stock in here.
And you could use vegetable stock if you were a vegetarian, right? Okay, fine. Just any kind of stock.
Any kind of stock. We heat it up, then we throw a little bit of chips in there. Yes, we're gonna go crazy in there. We do want them to get soft. So chilaquiles, people say it's just soggy tortillas. Come on, people.
Wait a minute. Yeah.
Come on, like seriously, let's get this right. No, you want that tortilla, kind of, you know, you mash them in there a little bit.
Okay.
Because you do want them to get nice and soggy because then you get a spoon and then you have that tortilla with the chicken stock. Yum. Okay, so put this in the back for now.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make our huevos.
So now, traditionally, chilaquiles are with chicken, right?
Chickens or eggs.
Or
both.
eggs. Okay,
Both
got
are
it.
traditional. Both are traditional. So we're gonna make our eggs in here.
Okay.
That egg is gonna absorb that olive oil, so it's gonna be delicious.
I love it. And you're using, even though you're using a non-stick pan, you're still putting a good amount of oil in there.
Yes, because you know, they need a little bit of a bath.
And you've got a hangover, so.
And how you have a hangover. Okay, I'm gonna show you a great trick. So
I love your tricks.
You know, add one. You see, you want that, otherwise it spreads too much.
Okay.
Then you put the other one in. Okay, beautiful, right? At this point, you salt them. I like to use, again, that flaky salt.
And just on the yellow, why is that?
Because I like it just on the yellow. This looks prettier. I don't like.
It does look pretty.
This gonna have a lot of sauce, so you
Right,
don't need
right,
much.
right.
Let's turn these low a little bit.
Okay, cool.
Lower them a little bit. Okay. So I love doing this. So I don't like my yolk completely overcooked.
Okay.
I like them kind of like a little, but I do.
Like creamy and yes.
So I start getting a little bit of the oil on top of my yolk, and it's
Okay.
gonna automatically cook it. So now, while these are cooking,
Okay.
right, we're gonna assemble.
Okay.
So we have our tortilla chips.
Oh, I
So
see. They're
now
gotten
you
nice and
see?
soft in there.
They're nice and
Perfect.
soft. We're gonna put some of our stock and some tortillas. We are gonna put some chips.
Okay.
Now we're gonna pour some of our salsa on top. I'm layering it up. We're gonna do our eggs.
Look at those eggs, you guys.
We're gonna do our eggs. That yolk is nice and runny. We're gonna put some guacamole.
That looks amazing. So now what do you do?
I think you put crema or sour cream.
Okay, and crema is a Mexican version of sour cream, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I think it's saltier, less soury,
Okay.
more limey.
Cool. I dig it.
And then, you put it right wherever you want. And then now we put some hot sauce because you have to.
That looks so beautiful. Oh my god.
And now a little bit more cilantro.
For sure.
We'll
Look at that.
chop it in. And that's
Look at that.
should be it.
Okay.
Boom.
There. If this doesn't cure your hangover, I'm not sure what will. I'm just saying. Let's try it out now. Woo! Oh my gosh.
I love how excited you are about chilaquiles. I get that excited.
You don't even. This is like my favorite. Like if I go into a Mexican restaurant and they don't have chilaquiles, I turn around and leave.
Yeah, you're like, I'm out. I think we have to try it.
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay, the only other thing that I wanted to tell you is just make sure you use a thick corn tortilla chip because you do want it to hold up to the dish.
I love it. So nice hearty chip. Okay.
Yeah, I think you, look, wait.
Okay,
wait.
espérate.
Okay, are you make sure you're getting this? Because this is gonna go whoosh.
This is the magic right
Magic?
here.
Look at that yolk, guys. Look at that yolk.
Oh,
you want
man.
that, and I just go, get right
Yes.
in there. Get right in there, girlfriend.
Shut it down.
Yeah, boom. I think you have to now do it so we can cheer.
Yeah, no, I
Cheer.
thought you were making me a spoonful the way you
I
were
know,
selling that
kind of
one.
like here.
Oh my gosh. No,
This
no,
is
no,
yours.
está bien. I'll make my
I'm
own.
sorry,
Here we go.
I'm
No,
so
here we go.
rude.
You were selling
Salud.
it. Salud.
Salud, salud.
Ding.
Boom. These
All
are
right.
some good chilaquiles. Boom.
These are so. Okay, let's just put it this way. You're gonna stick around because we are gonna play a game that I call Fire or Fail.
I
Okay.
love this.
Check
I
this
love
out.
This.
In this game, what we do is we try a culinary trend, something that's really hot, that's sweeping the nation.
Okay.
You and I try it, you decide. Is it fire? Is it like, woo, amazing? Or,
Okay, I'm
You got it?
really good at these things.
okay, good.
I think I got it.
You got it? Okay, let's go do it. Okay, Grace, you ready?
I'm so ready.
Okay, what do you think this is?
Well, it looks like a croissant.
Okay.
But then it has like fairy dust, right?
Yes, well,
Sprinkles.
this is what French unicorns eat.
Oh.
So this is why we're trying.
Oh, okay.
This is called a birthday croissant.
Oh.
Okay, it's
Happy
a big
birthday.
trend.
Happy birthday.
Feliz cumpleaños. Okay, so what do you think? You think so far?
You know, in culinary school, we used to make a lot of croissants,
Uh-huh.
and I know how labor intensive they are to make them right. So for me, I'm a purist when
Okay.
it comes to croissants. I literally walk about 2.5 miles to get that perfect croissant when I'm
And to
craving
burn the calories from the croissant you're about to eat.
100%. Then I walk around Central Park.
Oh my gosh, you're
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
I need to do that though.
Yeah.
Okay, so ready? We're gonna break it up in half
Okay.
here. Let's see. Maybe there's a party that jumps out of
Oh,
here.
I already feel the party. I'm feeling the party in
wow.
my hands. Okay.
Holy smoke.
That's a lot going on.
Oh
it's very
yeah.
gooey. I
It
do
is
like
gooey. It is gooey. It looks like it's got like a frosting in there, right?
Ooh.
Okay. Let's see.
I don't even know where to start. I'm
Okay.
overwhelmed.
Salud.
Salud.
Here we go. Or no
Ay,
salud.
ay, Dios. Cheers. Okay.
Okay. It's not as sweet as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be frosting in there, but it's more like a cream.
Actually, the croissant is so good
Yeah.
that it holds up to the cream. And the cream is not overly sweet. So I respect what they're doing here.
Oh, I like that.
I do, because it's not my thing.
Yes.
Yet everything is so good. It's nice and balanced, and then there, you know, it's cute. It has sprinkles.
It is cute.
It's actually making me really happy. I'm like happy now.
No, it is, and I mean, it'd be perfect for like a kid's party. So fun, right?
You know, I thought I was gonna hate it
Yes.
from looking at it, but I actually really like it. So
You
it's
do.
fire.
It's fire.
It's fire.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's a fire for me too because I agree. It's got
Yeah.
a good balance.
I'm actually gonna
and
have
it's
another
fun.
bite. It's fun.
Okay, so fire.
Double fire.
Hey,
like
not
that.
bad. Well, Grace Ramirez, it was a pleasure. Mwah.
Gracias,
You are the
amor.
best.
You are the best.
Oh,
Gracias.
forget it. Here is a really unusual way to cut a pineapple. Now, first things first, when you go to pick one up at a store, you want to smell the bottom. So this is where it's connected to the actual plant. And if it smells sweet, like this one does, that means it's really ripe and perfect. And then also you want it to have a little bit of yellow on it like this does. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it right down the center of the whole fruit, and then you're just gonna break it in half. Now, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cut it in half again. And then I'm gonna cut along the fruit, keep the peel at the bottom, and now you're just gonna cut it like this, scoot them around like that. Perfect. And you can present it just like that, so everybody can just kind of grab one and go. Easy breezy. Thank you guys for watching Slice. Tune in next Tuesday at 5 p.m. Eastern. And of course, leave us your comments and your kitchen conundrums because we hope to solve each and every one of them. I'm Evette Rios. Tag me at Evette Rios, and see you next week.